Here in the grounds of Ag in Motion 2025 drone demonstration has been a big hit with a lot of visitors, and there are several exhibitors here, and Barry Farm and Sky Tech is one that's been attracting attention with your drone tender trailer. Tell me about this.
Well, thank you. This is something, a brainchild of a group of like-minded people, farmers, people in the trucking industry have conjured up over a few coffees, because we felt what was in the industry existing was potentially unsafe, and there was room for it to grow for safety and efficiency. So over the course of the last 6 months, we come up with this design, and it is forever evolving. I don't know if we'll ever stop evolving as it exists right now, but at this point today, I think we're at 98% where we want to be.
Now, it's all aluminum construction, and this is a pre-production prototype for
Correct.
you, right?
And actually, it's galvanized.
Galvanized, okay.
Galvanized, yeah.
All right.
And it is 100% Canadian-made steel.
Okay. And it can service 2 fairly large drones? 4 fairly large drones.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so tell me about its design. You've got some large tanks on the bottom deck here. What are those?
Correct. So our black tank there is for our fresh water. Okay. Our yellow handling tank is what we call our hot tank, and that's where we do our mixing of the chemical water, soil, fertilizer, and water. And that is where it is contained until we pump it up to the top there via our hose reel, and then we put it into our drones.
And sides are hydraulically elevated to become the top deck, right?
Yes, correct. Yeah. We originally designed it to be a security structure for the equipment inside, and lo and behold, very fast we realized we just became a super landing deck that eliminated the need for tethering. And that is something that we were very concerned about going into this. The idea of having a tether attached to you and moving props, vortex of wind, that was going to be a recipe for disaster.
Fall protection, you're talking
Absolutely
about.
correct. We're trying to get that mitigated, but I think we've got her here today.
And you've got the pilots or the operator station above the fifth wheel here.
Yes, correct.
Gooseneck, rather.
Yeah, to get the operator away, semi-protected as you see right now. And that's why I say we're at 98%, because we know there are surprises and changes coming for that very, very soon.
Okay. Now, pre-production, do you expect to be in production for 2026?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely. That is not even a question of the doubt. We may start sooner than later, but we still are part-time farm boys, so other things have to happen first.
Right. So if someone's interested in talking to you about getting one, how do they get in touch with you?
Well, they can get contact via phone or by email, and we are Farm Sky Tech Ltd. I'm going to rephrase that. FarmSkyLtd@gmail.com.
FarmSkyLtd@gmail.com.
Yes. And we do have a website, and we are farmskytech.ca, and that's why I get the two mixed up.
Have you got a retail price in mind, or is that too early to say?
Nope. As an individual client, we are selling this particular pre-production model at $35,000, which is a very attractive price. And when I say the galvanized part of it, I'm talking everything you see that's silver, and the cord that's servicing the chargers for the drones.
How big of a trailer do they need for this?
This is a very unique design, and this is what everybody's been saying to us through the process. This is a unibody trailer. We are 8 to 9 foot sections consecutively. So you tell me what size of trailer you have, I'll build it for you.
Okay.
So if you got 17 feet, front 2. You got 50 feet, I'll add them all on to make it configure.
So totally customizable for the...
110% customizable.
Great.
Yep.
Barry, thanks for this.
Absolutely.